1923 Ford T-Bucket Replica Fiberglass Kit Car. Price, $15,900. Location, Dundalk, Maryland. A classic hot rod look with a modern custom-built attitude, this 2013-1923 Ford T-Bucket Replica delivers the unmistakable style of an early American roadster in a lightweight fiberglass kit car body. With its iconic open-top design, compact proportions, and aggressive hot rod stance, the T-Bucket platform is perfect for cruising, car shows, and enthusiasts who want something far more distinctive than an ordinary classic. The fiberglass construction offers a practical alternative to an original steel-bodied Ford while retaining the vintage-inspired character that makes the T-Bucket one of America's most recognizable custom car designs. Priced at $15,900, this 1923 Ford T-Bucket Replica is an exciting option for anyone looking for a unique American hot rod with classic styling and plenty of room for personalization. 1967 Volkswagen Dune Buggy 1,600 cubic centimeters custom. Price, $14,000. Mileage, 1,800 miles. Location, Dundalk, Maryland. A head-turning classic built for fun, this 1967 Volkswagen Dune Buggy combines vintage VW character with a custom extended chassis and eye-catching details. Power comes from a 1,600 cubic centimeters chromed-out Volkswagen engine, delivering the lightweight, responsive performance that makes these buggies so entertaining to drive. The build features an extended 96-inch wheelbase, a rear seat for additional passengers, and a street-legal configuration that makes it ready for cruising, local events, and weekend adventures. Finished in striking metallic red with a gray interior, the buggy is complemented by a hardtop and a complete set of new odometer gauges, all reported to be functioning properly. 2023 Avenger 8840th Sprint Car Chassis. Price, $10,500, roller, no engine. Location, Shelby Township, MI. Built for serious competition and ready for its next racing chapter, this 2023 Avenger 8840 Sprint car is a high-quality pavement setup that can also be configured for dirt racing. The chassis features a raised left rail, torsion bar suspension, Jacob's ladder, DMI Bulldog 4.11 rear end, Winters spline ball driveshaft, GME steering gear, and Willwood brakes, creating a strong foundation for competitive racing. Fuel delivery is handled by a 28-gallon Saldana fuel tank, reported to have no leaks, while HRP top and front wings complete the race-ready package. The car was originally built new and raced on pavement with a GM 602 crate engine, although the listed $10,500 price is for the roller without an engine. 1979 Blakely Bearcat. Price, $12,500. Mileage, 11,000 miles. Location, Dundalk, Maryland. A rare and distinctive classic sports car, this 1979 Blakely Bearcat offers an exciting combination of vintage styling, lightweight construction, and open-air driving enjoyment. With its compact roadster proportions and unique appearance, the Bearcat stands apart from ordinary classic cars and makes an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for something different. Priced at approximately $12,500, this example represents a reasonable market estimate for a well-maintained driver in good overall condition. Located in Dundalk, Maryland, the car would make a fun addition to a classic car collection or an enjoyable weekend cruiser for someone who appreciates unusual and hard-to-find vintage sports cars. 1973 Volkswagen 1600 Astech GT 2 kit car. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 470,001 miles shown in listing. Location, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. A rare and unusual piece of automotive history, this 1973 Volkswagen 1600 Astech GT 2 kit car offers a distinctive custom appearance and plenty of character for enthusiasts who enjoy something outside the ordinary. Powered by a 1,600 cubic centimeters Volkswagen-based engine with a manual transmission, the car is described as running and sounding good, making it an interesting project for someone looking to finish and personalize a unique classic. The striking blue exterior with black interior gives the car a sporty vintage presence, while its lightweight kit car design makes it especially appealing to collectors and custom car fans. 1962 Lotus 7 Style MK Indy Locost / Caterham Replica. Price, $17,000. Mileage, 6,000 miles. Location, Allen Park, Michigan. A lightweight performance machine built around pure driving excitement, this Lotus 7 Style MK Indy Locost / Caterham Replica combines an ultralight chassis with the exhilarating character of a motorcycle engine. Power comes from a fuel-injected Yamaha R1 engine producing approximately 192 horsepower, paired with a sequential transmission for lightning-fast gear changes and an intensely engaging driving experience. Finished in a striking orange exterior with a black interior, this compact roadster emphasizes minimal weight, responsive steering, and exceptional cornering ability. The seller describes it as the best handling car they have ever driven, and the combination of R1 power, sequential shifting, and lightweight construction makes the car especially appealing to enthusiasts who prioritize handling and acceleration over luxury. 1963 Austin-Healey 3000 Custom Roadster. Price, $32,900. Location, Palmyra, Tennessee. A seriously upgraded British roadster with American V8 attitude, this 1963 Austin-Healey 3000 Custom Roadster combines classic sports car styling with impressive modernized performance. Under the lightweight fiberglass body sits a potent 350 Ci V8 producing approximately 400 horsepower, transforming this iconic roadster into a remarkably quick and exciting machine. The combination of compact dimensions, lightweight construction, and substantial V8 power gives the car an aggressive personality that is sure to turn heads at local cruises, car shows, and weekend events. With its unmistakable Austin-Healey-inspired profile and high-performance American power plant, this custom build offers a unique alternative to traditional restored British sports cars. 2023 Polaris RZR XP 1000 Sport. Price, $12,900 plus TANT for VA residents. Mileage, 2,500 miles. Location, Galax, Virginia. Built for serious off-road excitement, this 2023 Polaris RZR XP 1000 Sport combines powerful performance, aggressive styling, and practical upgrades into a highly capable side-by-side. With only 2,500 miles, the machine has received fresh service and a fresh inspection, while a 3-month warranty adds extra confidence for the next owner. The setup includes a roof, windshield, harnesses, Sedona 32-inch tires, and System 3 wheels, giving the RZR a rugged appearance and enhanced trail capability. Finished in black, this XP 1000 Sport is ready for everything from weekend trail adventures to recreational off-road driving. 1963 Volkswagen Dune Buggy Custom. Price, $15,000. Location, Uxbridge, Massachusetts. A vibrant classic built for fun, this 1963 Volkswagen Dune Buggy combines vintage VW character with an unmistakable custom off-road personality. The build pairs a 1963 body with a 1973 chassis and features a 4-speed manual transmission backed by an air-cooled VW engine upgraded from 1,600 cubic centimeters to 1,776 cubic centimeters with a big bore kit. Finished in eye-catching vibrant orange with a black interior, the Buggy features two-tone black and orange bucket racing seats, multi-point harnesses, a black roll bar, chrome wheels, dual chrome exhaust pipes, and large off-road tires.